Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add sketch effect to image in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add the sketch effect to image. At first, go to the insert menu. Choose the picture drop down menu, choose this device. Now I am select a image and click insert. Now we can see here our image. Now we want to add the sketch effect to this image. Go to the picture format menu, select artistic effect drop down menu. We can see here many effect. Now I am find and select the sketch effect. We can see here the pencil sketch or another sketch. Now I am select the pencil sketch. Now we can see we add a sketch effect to image easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.